say God no dey make you come hear dis story? Una see any fight wey you leave for God and God handle am, omo at the end of the day, e no get as e wan be, na you win, na you win. Like dis so, Two-Face Idibia don dey cry out oo. Hey! E don dey cry for help. E don dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata wey nothing dey pursue am. A whole oga wey come yarn wetin im yarn, wey dem no hack im account, wey say im now e be Puna mechanic based on 1 or 2, don dey hear am real hot sotey e no come fit hold am again. E don dey carry am dey come out dey look for help. My beautiful and amazing people, make una carry una chair come closer oo. Make una look for chill water with popcorn, dey throw am one for mouth make una come hear dis matter wey dey for ground. Say our legend don turn to another thing entirely. From Odogwu to Odiegwu. Hey! Na wa o. But my people, before I go cap una the legit wey dey for ground, I greet una. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour wey una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, grant una heart desires, bless una abundantly for all you do for this channel. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain una humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una dey help us dey subscribe, hit on notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, karma is real. Most especially when that person don dedicate in life, dedicate in time, live in career, live himself, dey cater for your own needs, like abandon her own self, dey look out for you. If that karma wan catch up with the opposition, e dey catch am for im akpahamu. If una know wetin be akpahamu, e dey catch am well wey breathing space no go even dey for the person. My people, no be small matter dey say e dey for ground oo. Say Two-Face, e never even reach anywhere, im don dey make U-turn, don dey regret the things wey im do to Annie. Even though we know say marriage is not a bed of roses and they all have their flaws, everybody get im own. Nobody dey perfect and no marriage too dey perfect. Na only God Almighty na im dey perfect. And as such, mistakes are bound to happen. Quarrels are bound to be there. Because make una no forget say there are two different people coming from two different background. Benue State person and Akwa Ibom person. Different background, different language, different upbringing. Coming together to become one, e no for easy. If brothers and sisters can quarrel, dey fight each other, wey be say na the same house, the same family, the same upbringing, then who wey talk say relationship no go get im own differences? Who talk say relationship go dey perfect? So it is never a bed of roses. It always comes with its own lapses based on individual differences. But our ability to be able to control it when the time comes, na it really make us be champion. Na it really make us be legend for inside the marriage matter. But una know say Two-Face and Annie own, according to information, say e don dey enter the one wey be say they dey put cloth, dey scatter the place, dey arrange am back, scatter again, reach the one wey be say even Two-Face brother come out, come talk am say Annie do Two-Face strong thing, wey be say e almost land am for ground. Sotey e reach the one wey be say e remain small, dey for even carry Annie go put her for inside kirikiri as a result of that. But because of the love wey Two-Face too get for her small, Im talk say e no necessary according to Two-Face brother when this whole saga dey go on. You know say im come talk im own side of the story. All of them just dey against Annie. The mama talk her own. The brother talk him own. Everybody dey come out come talk him own. All na Annie na be the bad person. Now Two-Face, according to the information, say im don dey cry up and down now. Dey ask say im no know wetin dey happen to am. His whole world is crashing down. He doesn't know what is going on. That he's just forming to be all right, whereas he is not okay. Say he no need to go UK to be okay. I mean, how they take put that one. But this one now, omo, you don't dey pass, be careful. Say everything wey concern a music career, wey concern a life wey dey bring one naira, all of a sudden everything just dey crash. Things wey dey very easy to do before, all of a sudden e come dey difficult. Artists wey be say normally they want collabo with am, na im no dey gree. Now sef, even to call am, some of them that time wey im dey reign, wey im be legend, wey im never enter Odiegwu, they dey even dey call am to feature am. Some they go dey even dey tell am say make im call them anytime wey im get job, say dem dey. But based on say im be one man squad, with the help of Annie with am that time, im dey do im thing without any collaboration with anybody, without featuring anybody. Im be one man mopo based on Annie wey dey for the picture. Now e say nobody even dey call am. Even for show wey be say before they dey flood in WhatsApp. For those wey find the number, they dey flood in WhatsApp. Any of his social media handle, na so they go dey type, they send am messages up and down. Sir, please, we need you in this show. Sir, please, we want you to come for this dedication. Sir, we want you to perform in this place. The other time they do youth vote count for Abuja. Him dey part of the legends wey dem come, and na him they even know pass. Both dem Tenny and so many artists like that wey dem dey in attendance. Na so everybody dey hail am legendary, legendary. But all of a sudden, everything dey scatter, dey go. When last una don see Two-Face for any gathering wey be say na artist dey there? When last una don see Two-Face with any award? When last una don see Two-Face with any endorsement? When last una don see Two-Face release any song wey make sense, wey blow, wey go out of im way, come out for the whole world to hear? That's because they say when happiness no dey for house, when partners dey quarrel, they are not in good terms, good things tends to be far away from such family. Yes, na my mama dey talk am before. She say, you see house wey they dey find pikin, dey find pikin. Wey they no see pikin, but they dey find the pikin. God never give them. And they come still dey quarrel themselves, they fight on daily basis. Say pikin go hardly come there because children no dey go where peace no dey. So also good things no dey go where katakata and kitikiti dey. So Two-Face on the other end don dey cry now say things no dey move out for am again. Imagine the last time they do Headies award night, a whole Headies management forget to call Two-Face, wey be legend, legendary. Make I add am like that. They forget to call am. They forget to invite am for such kind of occasion. See so many occasions like that wey they invite people, even if they no go get award, even if no be nominees. They invited so many people wey no be even dignitaries, wey no be known face. They invited them. He wey come be legend, they forget to invite am. Is God not wonderful? Now they say Two-Face start dey cry. They meet all their friends one after the other. He said the one wey really even dey enter am now, na the fact say Natasha, na im dey take all the responsibilities now. Na she dey pay for bills, they do many things. Now the thing don come dey climb her head, reach the one wey be say she don come dey monitor am join. come dey chook mouth for wetin the things wey be say normally she no suppose chook mouth, as e be say she don dey take im responsibilities now dey do things wey be say na him suppose dey do am on a normal day. Normally, you know say if woman na im dey take responsibilities, some men dey still dey talk am say na the one wey na woman go take responsibility for their home, e better say dem no marry. As na Natasha dey take all the whole responsibilities now, say kai, because una know say they just appoint am as one of the entertainment, in charge of entertainment. So e never really fully resume im position. So things get as e dey be for am. Money no dey enter as usual. And make una no forget say na for inside music na im main this thing dey. Na Natasha carry am dey go politics because her mind dey tell her as she don already dey inside, she know say money dey am. Na she carry am chook for inside politics wey come dey make am dey deviate from the music wey people take know am. But im no even deviate finish, things come dey get as e dey be. You see na Natasha come dey cater for everything, come dey do everything now, and im no dey comfortable because as she don dey do everything now wey im never bounce back, e never resume seat, things get as e be. Natasha don dey control am, don dey go through im phones, dey do some kind many things. Things wey normally she no dey do before, she don dey do them. Na im say abeg make im mama chook eye for inside this one. Make una no forget say the time wey Natasha and Two-Face mama dey get issue, that time wey she come out say make dem comot bead for Two-Face neck and im hand, make dem help her beg Nigerians, make dem help her beg Natasha. Una know say dem no dey in good terms. Wey Natasha too on the other end come talk say no be she give Two-Face bead, she no go remove bead. Wey dem dey do that their drama dey go. Wey dem come later tell us say Natasha get belle for Two-Face. Last we come hear say belle no dey again. Wey Natasha say na Two-Face mama na im comot the belle, na im make her she no see her pikin again, belle kaput. Whether she wan use that one hold Two-Face, na only God na im know, or hold im family. But at the end of the day, she say she no see the belle again. Say belle don comot and na Two-Face mama. And say Two-Face mama dey do kurukere waka, she no trust Two-Face mama. Say and she as a Benin girl, she dey see Two-Face mama for some kind kurukere places. Say but if Two-Face mama no be careful, she go scatter am for her hand. Na im dey say Two-Face, after explaining to im mother finish, the mama come tell am say she go pray over it. Na that prayer wey she dey pray because im friends, all of them don turn their back on him. They no dey even check up on am again because you wan go check up on person wey be say 247 na him and Natasha na im dey. 247 e dey go shit, e dey go peace, na him and Natasha. Anything na him and Natasha. Wey make online in-laws kuku tag am say na woman wrapper im be now, na messenger im dey do now because 247 e dey with Natasha. So which kind friend wan come join them for that kind life wey they dey live? Wey be say you no fit dey, you and your friend no fit dey on a low without your girlfriend being there. She must make sure say she dey there every conversation she dey, and no be all friends go like that one. So all of them dey avoided him. The one wey manage gree talk to am, wey dey gree follow am dey do things, na im be that one wey dem meet for Headies with Annie. Wey tell Annie say she no like as Annie take remove Idibia comot for her name just like that. Na only that one, and that one na im come advise Two-Face say these things wey dey play, e no dey ordinary. Say make Two-Face put am for prayer, if possible make im fast go meet im pastor, make dem pray for am. Wey make e open Two-Face eye say things fit dey happen true for the other realm. E come go meet im mama. Im mama wey dey two side, wey be say she no even know the one wey she dey do. At some point, she go dey against Natasha. Before you know, if Natasha bring one or two, she go dey with Natasha again. Wey make Pero talk am say mama Two-Face na money and nothing else apart from money. Say 1 minute she dey with you when money dey. You know, after say you dey give her money back to back, you be her person. And such kind of mother, e no make sense, because to buy you, e no go hard. And you as a mother, you no for suppose allow make dem buy your son come also buy you join. You suppose get a say as a mother in some kind things. But lie, mama two-face no be like that. They say as e come go tell im mama, na im mama tell am say make im no worry, im go carry the matter go im pastor place. They go pray over it. But before then, make him and Natasha, make dem dey pray. Before you know, you never can tell the angel wey go pass, wey go hear the prayer, wey the prayer go answer. Then they say Two-Face say no problem. Now where mama Two-Face come go do her wakama, whether na man of God tell her or na the other way, the most important part be say they tell her something. Say Two-Face don make mistake of his life, but no be 100% mistake. It can be corrected. Make him go apologize to person wey him don offend, wey cry day and night because of him, person wey him abandon at her vulnerable moment. Na that time I know say true people dey wey dey see. If na man of God see this one, e see am clear. Because when Annie dey for rehab, na im Two-Face pack im bag come online, come yarn wetin im yarn. E no fit even wait for her to come out. E still go court, go dey process divorce when Annie still dey for rehab. Wey make court say lie, they no go sign am until Annie dey around. E dey eager to let her go, let her go. That kind thing, e no dey painful reach. At least you for even allow her well, so that you go tell her to her face, say, "To, auntie, see oh, I no fit hide our agreement was that make I no come online talk am, but I no go fit hide am. My woman say she no like am. See, una go agree, you come yarn wetin you yarn. No be when she needed you the most, you come dey yarn wetin you yarn, dey break her heart the more." And they say make they go beg Annie. Without shame, mama Two-Face wey don come out talk say Annie dey always be indicious hindrance to their life, to her children. She no dey gree make dem come visit. She no dey gree make dem near Two-Face. She no dey gree make Two-Face give them money. She no dey gree this, she no dey gree that. She is disrespectful. She is this, she is violent. She dey quarrel. She like fight. She like this, she like that. She stubborn. Nothing wey they no talk for her head. Na so they start dey look for Annie. They beg her up and down. So people wey hurt us for this life fit later find us like this. No be karma really dey work like this. No be karma dey work like this. Because omo, the way they take sound am, if Two-Face Annie no forgive, even for this appointment wey dem give am so, im go need to pray hard. Because omo, na Natasha na im hold the ball. For this appointment, it is very obvious say na Natasha hold the ball. And if he starts this attitude wey im dey do, couple with this one wey she dey do now, it might end up doing 2-0 last. Because na who bring food na im dey pack plate in some cases. You understand? Make e no come be 2-0 at the end of the day. Because na she give am the appointment. If he misbehave for where she dey, to take collect am, e no go hard. People plenty wey dey look for the appointment now. But they look based on one or two, based on connection wey pass connection, they carry and give you. If you come misbehave for where she dey, definitely they go collect am. And na wetin Two-Face dey fear wey make am start to cry now for help. Say things no dey work for am. In music, lie, no one wey don move at this stage wey be say him wey be legend, wey be say normally if him drop before na banger. Now nothing like that. Now they start dey beg Annie. People don dey advise Annie. Some say make she forgive. Some say why she go forgive, for where, why would she even do that? Say if she forgive am, na im be say Two-Face bin no do her anything. Na im be say the love e pass be careful. She too, they go even need to put her for prayer be that. So many talks just dey come from left, right, front, back, and center concerning the matter. My people, make una come chook mouth for inside this one wey dey. But you see karma, e no dey delay o. E dey come at the appointed time. E might look as if the karma no go come, e no go come. But last, e go surely come. If two-face people, family put together, wey come online, come dey put am woto for anybody, if they can come and beg, na im be say anybody wey don do you something for this life, just give the person space, give am enough time. Say when the time is right, him, God, go put you edge over them. At the end of the day, they no go know when they will come apologize to you. And that time, you go treat their fuck up as e take wan be. My people, wetin be una advice to Annie? Make una come, make we interact via the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us to share the like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.